If you're struggling to get people to notice your business or trust what you're offering, this is for you. Branding is not just a fancy buzzword, it's the key to standing out, building trust, and growing your small business. Hey, I'm Faye, a brand and marketing designer dedicated to helping businesses grow on and offline through impactful branding. So, what is branding really? It's obviously not just having a cool logo or picking out trendy colors. It's about how people feel when they interact with your business. It's what makes them say, I trust this place, or this is exactly what I've been looking for. If you're a small business owner, good branding isn't just a nice to have, it's what sets you apart from your competitors, builds loyalty, and makes your life easier when it comes to marketing. And in this video, I'll break it all down: what branding actually is, why it's a game changer for small businesses, and how you can start building your brand today, even if you're on a budget. So let's dive in. So branding is basically the personality of your business. It's how people recognize you, remember you, and decide if they trust you. Your logos, colors, and fonts are part of it, but it's a lot more than that. It's how you communicate, your tone, your messaging, the way you make people feel when they interact with you. Your branding is what people say about your business when you're not in the room. At its core, branding is about creating a clear and consistent experience for your customers so they know what to expect every time they deal with you. It's the vibe your business gives off, and it's what makes you stand out. For small businesses, branding is what levels the playing field. It's how you compete with bigger companies without needing a huge marketing budget. People are a lot more likely to buy from businesses that you can trust, and a consistent brand shows that you're reliable and professional, even if you're just starting out. And let's be real, there are probably a lot of other businesses offering the same things that you are. Branding is what helps you show why you're different and why people should choose you. A strong brand connects with people on an emotional level, and that connection is what turns one-time buyers into repeat customers. And when you know your brand, your voice, your look, your vibe, everything becomes easier. Social media, posts, your websites, they just flow when you have a clear identity. Branding isn't just for making things look nice, it's about building recognition, trust, and loyalty, which all over time leads to more sales and growth. So if you think branding is just for big companies, think again. It's what gives small businesses the edge they need to thrive. Building your brand might feel overwhelming, but it does not have to be. To get started, first define your brand. Think about your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? What problem are you solving for them? And then figure out your mission, your vision, and your values. What is it that your business stands for? Then from there, you can pick a logo, colors, and fonts that represent your vibe. Don't overthink it too much because you can refine it later with a professional. The key, though, is consistency. And then decide how you're going to sound when you communicate. Are you friendly, professional, casual, funny? Pick a tone that feels natural to you and your business. Then apply your branding everywhere: your website, socials, emails, even your packaging. Consistency is what makes your brand stick in people's minds. You don't need a big budget to get started. Tools like Canva or Squarespace are great for beginners, and there's a ton of free resources to get you started. And then from there, share your ideas with your audience or people you trust. What feels clear to you might not come across the same way to others, so use their input to tweak and improve. You don't have to be perfect from day one because branding evolves as your business grows. So start where you are and build from there. And when you're ready, reach out to a professional because a professional has the tools and the knowledge to create a brand that actually converts and truly represents your business. So until then, let's think about what not to do. These mistakes might hold you back as you're starting. 1, if your logo, colors, or messaging changes depending on what platform you're on, people won't know what to expect. So stick to one look everywhere. Also, a homemade logo is fine at first, but eventually you do have to invest in something professional because first impressions really matter. And your brand's not going to resonate with everyone, and that's okay. Just focus on your ideal audience, the people who actually need what you're offering. Also, people connect with stories, not just products, so make sure you share your why to make your brand more relatable and memorable. And whether it's posting on social media, updating your website, or answering emails, how you show up matters. So be reliable, be consistent, and build trust. Avoiding these mistakes will save you a lot of time and hesitation. Branding isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional and consistent. All right, so I guess now it's your turn. If you're ready to start building your brand, definitely grab my free branding checklist I linked below. It's a list of all the different elements of your brand you should try to consider and keep in mind as you're creating a consistent image. And if you're ready for anything else, if you need any help, I am just a call away. You can click the Work With Me form in the main menu of my website, constantcreates.com, and you share a little bit of information about your business. And from there, we'll be able to figure out whether or not we're a good fit for each other, and hopefully I'll be able to help you with whatever you need for your brand. Also, let me know in the comments, what's one thing you'd love to improve about your branding? I'd love to hear about it, and maybe I can make a video to help you out. Either way, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Remember, branding isn't just for big companies, it's what helps you stand out, connect with your customers, and grow your small business with confidence. So if this video was helpful, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps people see this. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your business. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.